The GA-VSD Plus compressor uses the most advanced fan available. This fan takes its inspiration from nature. A closer look at the fan reveals a serrated edge to the blades. This design was copied from the most silent birds of prey. Owls. These nocturnal hunters can hardly be heard, thanks to the design of their wings. Owl feathers are toothed and their wing blades end in a winglet. This also improves the owl's aerodynamics, so it needs less energy to cleave through the air. The design of our cool flow fan has exactly the same advantages. It is energy efficient and it is quiet. You can conduct a normal conversation with a unit running right next to you. Taking your design cues from nature, that is called biomimicry, another big idea for a small compressor.